Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are all well and your studies are also going on well. This is part 11 video on the chapter of measures of central tendency, where I will be solving problems based on median and mode that I discussed in the previous video, part 10. This video is part of the playlist CBSE Maths for class 9 following the textbook of author RD Sharma, where I primarily discuss about the key concepts and formula for numerical problem solving. If you find this video beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and once again, if you want to further support me, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. So let's start part 11 video, where I will be solving problems on median and mode. Okay, now before solving the problems, I would like to discuss one thing that I forgot to discuss in the previous video, that is the relation between mean, median and mode in a distribution. Now if a distribution is symmetric, now we say a distribution to be symmetric. Let's say we have a distribution, that is we have some values and their frequencies. Let's say if we plot the frequency and the values in a graph, let's say the x-axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Let's say the value x is along the x-axis and the frequency of each value of x is along the y-axis. Now if the graph is something like this, then that is, if you at the highest point, you can see, if you draw a vertical line, this will divide the entire graph into two equal halves, and from this graph you can clearly see that the mean is equal to median is equal to mode. So in a graph where the mean, median and mode are equal, that is a graph of the discrete frequency distribution, if the mean, median and mode in a distribution, if the mean, median, mode are equal, then it is said to be symmetric distribution, and the graph of the symmetric distribution looks somewhat like this. Now if the graph is not perfectly symmetric but it is moderately symmetrical, for example, let's say I am drawing another graph, let's say like this. Now this is not perfectly symmetrical but it is moderately symmetrical. So in for those distribution, that is which are moderately symmetric, we have an empirical formula. We have a relation between the mean, median and mode, and the relation is the mode is equal to 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean. This is the formula for a distribution, for a moderately symmetric distribution, and for a perfectly symmetric distribution, the mean, median, mode they are all equal. So this relation will be used to solve many problems. So mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Okay, now let's start solving the problems. The first problem says that the numbers 50, 42, 35, we are given a raw data where two data are in terms of x, that is we have some unknown x. So numbers 50, 42, 35, 2x plus 10, 2x minus 8, 12, 11 and 8 are written in descending order and their median is 25. So all these raw data are already in descending order, that is from high value to low value, and the median is given to be 25. Then we have to find the value of x. First of all, how many numbers are there? What is small n? That is the number of observation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n is 8, which is even. So we know when for a distribution, if the number of observations n is even, then the median we know the median is equal to the mean of the n by 12th observation, plus n by 12th plus 1, n by 2 plus 1th observation. The mean of the n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Okay. So the median for this problem, since n is 8, it will be 4th observation, n by 2 is 4th observation, plus n by 2 is 4 and 5th observation divided by 2. In the symbolic notation form, we write it as x4 plus x5 by 2, where x1 x2 up to xn is the distribution, is the or the observations either in ascending or descending order. Okay. So in this order, in this given order which is in descending order, what is the 4th observation? It is 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10 is the 4th observation, and obviously 2x minus 8 is the 5th observation. So their mean will be the median. This after simplification is 4x plus 2 divided by 2. I can so this is 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 2x plus 1. So this implies the median the median in the problem is given to be 25. So we have 2x plus 1 is 25. So this implies x is equal to 25 minus 1 by 2, which is 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. So the value of x is 12. Okay, let's see the next problem. Question number 2. 10 observations are given, where we have 2 observations in terms of x are written in ascending order. So the given observations are in ascending order, that is from low value to high value. The median of the data is 24. Find the value of x. This is exactly more or less the same problem as question number 1, but in this case the observations are written in ascending order. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is 10. Again, n is the number of observations is even. So then the median will be the n by 12th observation, n by 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, that is the mean of n by 12th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2, which is n is 10. So we have n by 2 is 5th. So 5th observation plus 6th observation by 2. 5th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x plus 1, and 6th observation is obviously 2x minus 13, this divided by 2. This after simplification is 3x minus 12 divided by 2. This is equal to, I can take 3 common, factor out 3 from the numerator, and I have 3 into x minus 4 whole divided by 2. Now the median is given in the problem to be 24. So we have 3 multiplied by x minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 24. This implies x minus 4 is equal to 24 multiplied by 2 divided by 3, which is 16. So this implies x is equal to 16 plus 4, which is 20. So the value of x is 20. Okay. Let's see the next problem. Question number 3 says, if the ratio of the mode and median of a certain data is 6:5, then find the ratio of its mean and median. For this kind of problem, you must apply the formula that mode since the ratio of mode and mean are given, it is obvious that I have to use the formula or the empirical relation between mean mode and median, which is mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Let me check quickly if I am correct or wrong. 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Okay. Now what is given? If the ratio of mode and median of a certain data is 6:5, so it is given mode by median is given to be 6/5. Then find the ratio of its mean and median. Okay. So this implies that mean and median. Okay. So somehow mean and median, we have to find the ratio between mean and median, and we have this empirical relation between mean, median and mode. So obviously I have to somehow convert the mode in terms of, express mode in terms of mean or median. So from this given ratio, mode by median is 6/5, I have mode is equal to 6/5 multiplied by median. This implies if I use the empirical formula, mode equals to 3 times median minus 2 mean, in the mode I will write as 6/5 multiplied by median is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Okay. This implies if I take the median to the left hand side, I have if I take the median to the right hand side and the mean to the left hand side, I have twice mean is equal to 3 times median minus 6/5 times median. Simplifying the right hand side, I have 15 9/5 median. So now I can easily get the ratio between mean and median. So this implies mean by median is equal to 9/5 multiplied by 2, which is 9/10. That is 9:10. Mean is to median is 9:10. So this formula is important whenever in any given problem some ratio between two measures, that is mode, median or mean is given, and we have to find the ratio of any other two measures. By measures I mean mode, mean or median. Let's see the next problem. If the median of scores x/2, x/3, x/4, x/5 and x/6, where x is greater than 0 is 6, find the value of x/6. Now clearly the catch is that, now how do I know in the given observation it is not given said that the observations are already in sorted order, but the thing is that for any x is a positive number, it is given that x is greater than 0. So if x is greater than 0, then if you then x by, this is a concept of rational number, that if x is any number positive greater than 0, then if you divide, then x by a will be less than x by b, where obviously a and b are some non-zero constants. If a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, if a and b are non-zero numbers and a is greater than b, then x by a will be less than x by b. Similarly, x by a will be greater than x by b if a is less than b. So clearly I can see, I can say that x by 2 is greater than x by 3, is greater than x by 4, is greater than x by 5, is greater than x by 6. So the given observations are in descending order. Okay. Now, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is 5, which is odd. N is 5, which is odd. So this implies the median will be equal to n plus 1 by 12th observation, which is 5 plus 1 by 2 th observation, which is equal to third observation, which is equal to the third observation is x by 4. So this implies x by 4, the mean is given as 6. So x by 4 should be equal to 6. This implies x is equal to 24. Okay, let's see the next problem. Question number 5. If the median of 33, 28, 20, 25, 34 and x is 29, find the maximum possible value of x. Find the maximum possible value of x. Okay. Now, since x is on clearly we can see. Okay. Now, to find the median, I have to either arrange the observation in the ascending order or descending order. Let's say find the maximum possible value of x. Now, let's say I am arranging the observation in the ascending order. So I will have 20, 25, 28, then 33, then 34, then 34. Okay, and the median is given to be 29. Median is given to be 29. Okay. Now median, the value of median 29 is somewhere between 28 and 33. 28 and 33. Find the maximum possible value of x. Now, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations are there. So 5 observations are there. So once all the observations are sorted in either descending or ascending order, the median has to be the 5 plus 1 by 2 or third observation. Median will be the third observation. Okay. If the median of the number of observation is 6. I forgot to consider x. So number of observation is 6. So n is 6. N is 6. So the median will be the mean of 6 by 2 plus 1th observation plus 6 by 2 mean of 6 by 2th observation. Mean will be, since n the number of observations is 6, which is even, the median will be n by 2th observation, that is 6 by 2th observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1th observation, the mean of these two observations, which is third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. This is given to be 29. Okay. Now I have okay, third observation and the fourth observation. Now third observation, if I now remember one thing, that if the median will not depend, the median is not whether you are sorting the observation in the ascending order or the descending order, the median will be the same. So it does not matter in finding the median, it does not matter whether you are arranging the observation in ascending or descending, it will be the same. So if I arrange the given observation in the ascending order, I see that the third observation is 28, even though I don't know what is x. X could be, and the mean is 29. Which means that mean is 29 means definitely, and also since the number of observations is 6, which even, the median will be the mean of third observation and the fourth observation. Now let's try to analyze, can the value of x be less than 28? If the value of x is less than 28, if x is, I am trying to figure out what can the value of x be. So if x is less than 28, then if x is less than 28, then definitely if x is less than 28 and x is greater than 25, then the median will be x plus 28 by 2, which will always be less than 29. So x cannot be less than 28. What is the maximum possible value of x? Also, you see that so x has to be greater than 28. Now, if x is less than, can x be greater than 33? If x is greater than 33, this will imply that the median will be equal to the third and fourth observation will then be obviously 28 and 33. So 28 plus 33 by 2, we have to check whether this is 29 or not, because the median is given to be 29. So 28 plus 33 divided by 2 is 44.5. Is 44.5, which is greater than 29. So definitely x has to be between 28 and 33. X cannot be greater than 33, because if x is greater than 33, we are getting median to be 44.5, which is wrong. X cannot be less than 28, because if x is less than 28, then whatever the value of x will be, the median will be x plus 28 by 2, which will obviously be less than 29. So x has to be between 28 and 33. X has to be between 28 and 33. In that case, the third number will be 28 and the fourth number will be x. So I must have the median should be equal to 28 plus x by 2. This implies x is equal to find the maximum possible value of x. X is equal to 58 minus 28, which is 30. If x is 30, then the median will be 28 plus 30 divided by 2, which is 29. So x is 30. x is 30, but why is it saying the maximum value of x is the value of 30 if x is so if x is 30, then we can see that the median can be 29. But is the value of 30 the maximum possible value of x which will make the median 29? Can x be 31? No, I think so x should be equal to 30, which will then make the median equal to 29. But I really couldn't figure it out why 30 will be the maximum possible value of x. I don't know if you have an explanation why 30 will be the maximum possible value of x, then please let me know in the comment section. I will really appreciate that. Even though I am solving these problems, I have no idea whether my answer is coming correct or not. I don't know whether the maximum possible value of x is 30 or not. So let me know if I am wrong or correct. I will appreciate that. Question number 6. So there are many other problems. Okay, question number 6 says if the median of the scores 1, 2, x, 4, 5, where it is given that 1 is less than 2, is less than x, is less than 4, is less than 5, is 3. So the observations 1, 2, x, 4 and 5 are in ascending order, and the median is given to be 3. So we are having we are having the observations 1, 2, x, 4 and 5. There are n is 5. So obviously median will be 5 plus 2, 5 plus 1 by 2th observation, which is equal to 3rd observation. Now since the given data observations are already in the ascending order, the 3rd observation is obviously x. So then we clearly see that x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now the problem has asked to find the mean of the scores. So obviously the mean will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and how many? The sum of the observations, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, divided by the number of the observations, which is 5. Now I mentioned in one of my previous videos that the sum of the first n natural numbers 1 plus 2 up to plus n, where n is a natural number, the sum of the first this is the sum of the first n natural numbers is equal to n into, formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is the sum of the first 5 natural numbers. Its value will be 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2, and we have in the denominator 5, so this is equal to 3. So the mean is also 3. Okay, let's see the question number 7. If the difference of mode and median of a data is 24, then find the difference of median and mean. Clearly we have to use the formula. A mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. This is the formula we know. Empirical relation between mean, median and mode for a moderately symmetric distribution. Now in the problem it is given the difference of mode and median. It is given mode minus median is equal to 24. Then we have to find the difference between median and mean. Okay, so mode minus median is given to be 24. Okay, so this implies mode is equal to 24 24 plus median, and if I put mode as 24 plus median in the main empirical relation, I get 24 plus median is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. We have to find the difference between median and mean. Okay, so this implies 24. If I bring the median to the right hand side, I get 3 times median minus median minus 2 times mean. If you simplify the right hand side further, it will be 2 times median and minus 2 times mean. If I take 2 common, this is 2 times median minus mean. So this implies that the difference of median and mean, median minus mean, is equal to 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. So the difference of median and mean is 12. Let's see the next problem, question number 8. Find the value of B if the mean of the following distribution is 5. So we have a discrete frequency distribution. There are two unknown frequencies A and B, and the mean of the distribution is given as 5, and we have to find the value of B. Okay, so if mean is given to be 5, okay, so first of all we can say that the mean 5 is equal to, how do we find the mean of a discrete frequency distribution? It is summation of xi fi divided by summation of fi, which will be in this problem 6, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by a plus 7 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by b divided by the sum of the frequencies, which is 2 plus a plus 5 plus b. This after simplification is 5a plus 4b plus 41, 35 plus 6 is 41 divided by a plus b plus 7. So if I do cross multiplication, clearly I will get a linear equation in a and b. So I have, let's see what do I get, 5a plus 4b, 5a plus 4b plus 41 is equal to 5a plus 5b plus 7. Oh, so we can cancel out 5a from both the sides, and if I bring the b, all the b to the right hand side and all the constant to the left hand side, I have 41 minus 7 is equal to 5b minus 4b, which is equal to b. So b is equal to 35. 35, really? Oh, I did a mistake. While doing cross multiplication, I did a mistake. On the right hand side, it will be 5a plus 5b, not 7, but 35. So then, the next step, it will be 41 minus 35. So the value of b is 41 minus 35, which is 6. So the value of b is 6. Okay, let's see the next problem. Find the median of the data. Okay, so we have some raw data. So to find the median, we would like to sort the data in either ascending or descending. I am arranging the data in the ascending order. So we have minus 3, we have 2 minus 3, and then we have minus 1, and then we have 0, and then we have 2, and then we have 5, and then we have 6. How many observations was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so n is equal to 14, which is even. n is equal to 14, which is even. So then the median will be 14 by 12th observation, the mean of 14 by 12th observation, and 14 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. This is 7th observation plus 8th observation divided by 2. So this is 7th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, and 8th observation is also 5. So 5 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 5. So the median is 5. Okay, let's see the next problem, probably the last problem. Okay, if the median of a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f, where it is given a is less than b is less than c is less than d is less than e is less than f, is k. So the given observations are already in sorted order, in ascending order. The median is given to be k. Then find the median of b by c, c by 2 and d by 2. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6. N is 6. So this implies the median will be the mean of 6 by 2, 6 by 12th observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. This is 3rd observation plus 4th observation divided by 2. 3rd observation is C and 4th observation is D. So C plus D by 2. So this implies C plus D by 2 will be the median, and in the problem the median is already given to be K. So we have C plus D by 2 is equal to K. Okay, fine. Now we have to find the median of the observation B by 2, C by 2 and D by 2. Now BCD, where we already know that B is less than C is less than D. So B by 2, C by 2, then we will also have B by 2 is less than C by 2 is less than D by 2. Because if B is less than C is less than D, C is less than D, then you can divide all these terms by any non-zero positive number and the order will be the same. So we have this. So if we know that B by 2, C by 2 and D by 2 are in ascending order, then the median will obviously be, so the median of the median of the observation B by 2, comma C by 2, comma D by 2 will obviously be the, since there are three observations, the middlemost observation is C by 2, will be C by 2. C by 2, okay. But so then find the median of B by 2, C by 2 and D by 2. Okay, median C by 2. From C by 2, how now we know that C plus D by 2 is equal to K. I'm wondering whether the median will be in terms of K or not. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So there are 6 observations in A, B, C, D, E, F, and they are already in ascending order. So the median will be obviously the mean of C and D. So C plus D by 2 is equal to K. From here we get C is equal to 2k minus d. C is coming to be 2k minus d, and so then the median of b by 2 comma c by 2 comma d by 2 will be obviously equal to c by 2, because d by 2, c by 2 and d by 2 are already in ascending order, and the middlemost element is c by 2. So then c by 2 will be equal to 2k minus d by 2, which is equal to k minus d by 2. So the median of b by 2 comma c by 2 and d by 2 is k minus d by 2, k minus d by 2. If I am wrong in any, if my answer is incorrect, I mean I have incorrectly solved the problem, I have applied any incorrect concept or did some silly mistake, then please let me know in the comment section. I will really appreciate that. And if you find this video beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and once again please support me by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. I will be solving more problems on mean median mode. Probably in the next 2 or 3 videos I will be solving some conceptual problems based on the mean median mode. And if you have any specific kind of query, or if you need any specific kind of video on any concept or any problem solving, then please share that. I will highly appreciate that. I am ending the video here. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care and bye.